10. Force1 F100GP. Imagine being able to make long aerial recording sessions with a low budget. With less than $500, you can get the Force1 F100GP to take photos or record videos for up to 30 minutes in full HD definition. This is the perfect drone for an entry-level budget. For example, if you love to take some pictures of your city or your neighborhood, you can take a bunch of photos all in one session without charging the drone even one time. In addition, if you are a sports fan, you can fly the drone in your home club and take eye-catching footage. Among other incredible features, this drone includes silent motors, which gives it a smooth flight experience, along with a 1080p HD camera, 2-speed switcher, and a 2.4 GHz transmitter. On top of that, it features a 30-minute battery life, and it can take a maximum speed of 40 miles per hour. 9. Potensic T-35. Did you ever want to buy the DJI Phantom 4, but you never got enough money to do it? We got a solution that is even better than the DJI Phantom 4 itself. This last DJI drone can be expensive, and sometimes you can find some interesting options out there. One of them, it's called Potensic T-35, and it's similar to the DJI version but lighter and at a much better price. Its sturdy build and the high-definition camera integrated into it will help you create a stable video or photo material. As a consequence of its price, this drone is quite noisy due to its brushed motors incorporated into the jet. However, the Potensic T-35 has a 15-minute flight duration with one charge, as well as different intelligent flight modes like the return home function. Additionally, the drone comes with dual GPS and FPV capability. 8. DJI Phantom 3. Buying a drone can sometimes require some time to study which fits the best according to the quality of prices and brands out there. But DJI is a brand that has been leading the market for years, and buying one of them is a warranty for the buyer without any doubt. The problem? They are too expensive. But we found out that the Phantom 3 is a nice option for its price. Due to its features, this drone could be a good starting point for content creators. For instance, you can record some aerial views for your social media videos and give other tastes of your weekly content thanks to the stability and easy to use of the drone. Even though this item has a low price, it still has some amazing features, such as its 1080p 4K camera or its long-lasting battery life of up to 20 minutes with just one charge, not to mention the live streaming function and the smart modes that are all common to all DJI products. 7. Ruko F11 Pro. In case you are just getting started in the unbelievable aerial photography world, the Ruko F11 Pro is one of the options you should be considering buying. Not only for the features and specs it offers, but also for the incredible price-quality ratio. If you hate when a drone has a low battery life and you don't have enough budget to buy some extra batteries, this drone will save you from doing that, as its battery lasts up to 30 minutes. You can visit, record and take photos all over the city. However, we recommend using this specific drone in open spaces like the playground or a sports centre. Despite not having the best stabilisation out there, for the price the drone has, it offers a 4K UHD camera, 2500 mAh intelligent battery, smart flight modes and much more. Additionally, it can reach a speed of up to 26.8 miles per hour. 6. Walkera F210 3D. Did you have a bad experience with a drone? You already crashed the quadcopter and you don't want to see a single drone ever in your life. This could be an opportunity to start enjoying the drone flying experience. This Walkera model is small and still extremely resistant to classic crashes we all experienced once. Thanks to its modular design, the user of the Walkera F210 3D can replace just one piece of the drone so easily. All the spare parts are available on Amazon, so unless you definitely break the drone into pieces, this won't be a problem for you. The quadcopter has a 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi connection. It's fast and long-lasting. It has a wide range of 120 degrees and it has incorporated a full HD night vision camera so you can take some footage during the night. 5. HolyStone HS700D. A complete drone for a cheap price? You won't find that. It's impossible. Or maybe it is possible. The HolyStone HS700D is a drone for everyone, no matter what you need to record. It has a lot of features and some interesting specs. You will be amazed by the different flight modes included in the drone. Just to name some of them, you can find in this drone the flight path mode, along with the return home feature, assisted with the GPS included in it. To sum up, the drone has a 2K camera, Wi-Fi connection and FPV support. Besides, it includes a decent battery life and it's easy to use. Nevertheless, it takes a good time to fully charge the battery and it could be difficult to drive in windy conditions. 4. Xiaomi FIMI A3. A high-quality camera and low budget can't be so compatible in the drone market. Xiaomi made it real. The FIMI A3 drone's main feature is its high-definition camera in comparison to their fellow brothers. For the same budget, you won't find a video resolution like it. So if your priority is the image quality, this is the one for you. If you are one of those people who gets vexed with the drone's sound, this Xiaomi drone could be ideal for you, as its brushless motors don't emit a single noise while in the air. Besides, you can make long flight sessions with the drone as its battery life is up to 25 minutes. It also brings an amazing first-person view. It comes with a memory storage slot for you to fill in, and you don't need your phone to use it, as it includes a controller inside the package. 3. Parrot Anafi. If you are a travel content creator and you need a drone to take some aerial shots, still highly portable, this is the one for you. The Parrot Anafi is lightweight and portable, but at the same time it brings a high-resolution image. You can go from America to Europe to Asia and then back to America with this drone without causing any problem due to its portability. Despite its price, it's a good competition for the DJI float, especially the Mavic Mini. You can record 4K HDR video, it can be foldable to fit into your pocket, but it's still slightly bigger than the DJI Mavic Air. You can charge the drone via the USB-C port and you have extra gadget buying options available. 2. DJI Spark Portable. Unlike its DJI siblings, the DJI Spark is highly portable and simple to use. You don't need to be a photography expert to make the most out of it, and that's what makes it so special. Even if DJI is well known for its high-end technology drones and their expensive price, some time ago it started to design more affordable options for its clients. The DJI Spark is a big proof of that. The quadcopter was created to compete with the low-cost drones, and hell, they smashed the market. Initially, its main competition were the FIMI A3, along with other drones out in the market. Its lightweight style and its compatibility, along with the warranty the brand offers, made DJI a huge actor in the low and middle budget drone market. The drone has some intelligent flight modes, such as tap fly, return home, follow me, and others. You can fly the drone directly through your smartphone, or you can use the remote controller instead. 1. DJI Mavic Mini. Out of the discussion, the best drone for under $500. DJI made this drone and took the biggest share of the low-budget drone niche. It's tiny enough to fit into your pocket when folded, so you can carry it wherever your next adventure is going to happen. For example, if you are traveling, this drone could be perfect for not only its portability, but also for the decent features it offers, compared to the high-end budget DJI models. You will get 30 minutes of flight time at an affordable price. The drone can shoot 4K video footage, but on the con side, it's charged with the USB-A ports, unlike every modern drone that uses a USB-C port. That's all for today's video. Let me know in the comments which drone you are going to buy next. See you soon.